Right now, we're seeing a sentiment score of plus 0.09, despite a momentum drop of minus 1.29 over the last 24 hours. This disconnect is noteworthy. Typically, we'd expect a negative sentiment during a decline. Our API provides you with a comprehensive analysis of sentiment and momentum, returning key insights, such as sentiment scores, momentum trends, and semantic clusters that help you interpret the data effectively. Imagine using this to build a sentiment-aware trading strategy. You could analyze current market sentiment against historical norms to identify potential buying opportunities, even when momentum is faltering. To dive deeper into this data and explore how it can transform your trading strategies, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's decode the market together.